I was in a big three-bedroom family home, which was big garden at the back, big garden at the front, which was a bit too big for me. It was a family home.
My name's Jane Henshaw, and I used to live in Holly Farm Road, and now I'm in Dinniston Road, Garston. I wanted to stay basically where the station is, this side of Garston, for work commitments, the transport.
I went up to South Liverpool Homes in Speke. One of the staff that I spoke to suggested that I go on a list where they try and match people up together.
When I first seen the in your bulletin, I'd seen in there that there was properties going up, so I put in for a transfer. And then I got a phone call for a call back off Amanda, saying about this, have I ever thought about an exchange? And she goes, well, there is a property in Dinniston Road. Do you know where that is? And I went, no, it's opposite the park.
I was really made up because it wasn't far from where I was already living. It was in the location that I wanted. We both had a look at each other's houses. My house was fine with her, and the flat that she had was just ideal for me.
I came here and I just had this feeling that, you know, when you get that feeling when you walk into a house, this is it. Then Iris came to mind 3 days later and she fell in love with mine. It was just so easy, so simple. If we wanted to know anything, we were unsure of anything, we just had to get in touch with South Liverpool Housing. All the way through this exchange has been perfect. And I just feel really overwhelmed, you know, by the support and everything else from South Liverpool Housing. Since I've moved, well, for one thing, I don't have any stairs to climb, which makes it a lot easier for me, you know, and I'm on the ground floor. It's a smaller place and it's ideal for me, just to get around, and less cleaning.